Hello friends, it's Teddy, and today we're going to draw the famous anime character Pikachu as a Squishmallow. Let's begin by drawing a curved line, and then create a reverse V shape from one of its points. Repeat this process on the other side to form Pikachu's ears. Now, let's make a large U shape that connects these points. Moving on, draw a circle in the center for its nose, and 2 circles next to it for its adorable eyes. Next, add a W shape below the nose to create its mouth, and a big circle for its cheek. Repeat this on the other side as well. Now, let's draw Pikachu's hands. Start with a long S curve, then add small C curves for its fingers, and finish with a big C curve. Repeat this process in a mirrored manner to draw the other hand. Finally, add 2 curves inside its ears, and 2 circles inside its eyes to create highlights. That's it. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you liked it, please share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon with more exciting content. Until then, happy drawing!